The loo with a view, as its name, was a old toilet block, and it's been here for about 50-60 years, probably more.
Originally, back in the 18th century, it used to be a fish cellar where the fishermen used to store all the pilchards before they'd go off to produce oil.
We bought the house the toilet last March, but we started knocking out all the internal walls and things like that in about December, January time. So I think we're going to be ready by about the end of July, so 6-7 months, not too bad. Everyone says we're not going to be finished by then, but we will. It was quite easy to choose Zinsser actually, because we needed something that was hard wearing, long lasting.
We wanted to do the job once and then wait quite a few years until we did it again. So that was that was fun. That we were sold on that alone, weren't we? So
yeah, I'm not that great up a ladder, and it's just absolutely stunning. It's so wow and in your face, bright white, and yeah, no, we're really, really pleased with it. It's amazing to actually be able to sit back, relax and soak it up and look at all the little quirky things, isn't it, rather than having to work and get through a snagging list. I found the paint quite easy to apply actually. I was pleasantly surprised because obviously I'm not a professional decorator, so I was a bit concerned. But no, as soon as I read the back and saw how to do it, because obviously there's a process you've got to follow, no, it was easy.
we would certainly recommend this paint, and in fact we already have, and I've done that quite a bit.
Yeah.
We'll use it again on our next project, but we're going to have a bit of time off in between. Yeah, do a bit of fishing, something simple. Picnics, fish and chips, watching the sunset or two.
Yeah, can't wait.